What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing my valve cover gasket on the S2000. It's been leaking pretty bad, as you can see, and I think it's time to change it. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to change your valve cover gasket and fix that oil leak. I'm going to start by removing these two bolts on the strut bar and these two right here, just to get it out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to remove the intake just to make things better, easier, get things out of the way. I'm going to remove this hose right here and this one. So let's do that. Remove any sensors that might be attached. I have one right here. Pops right off. And there's one right here. Just pops right off. And now you want to remove 4 bolts for the spark plug cover, because we got to remove some stuff in there too. So remove these 4 bolts. There. We just got to remove the spark plug coils. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and each one is held by 1 bolt. So let's do that. So now that we have removed all of that, it is time to remove the 4 bolts for the valve cover, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now that you've gotten all those bolts out, it's time to move the valve cover loose and pop it off. We'll see how tight this thing's on there. God damn. I had to jump in there just to pull it out. Let me show you really quick the gasket. Finally got it. These sensors back here really make it a big deal on pulling out the valve cover. Like, you have a limited space and you gotta really like yank on it. I was scared of like mess up one of these wires, but everything worked out. Here's a brand new OEM valve cover gasket from Honda. Thanks to the homie Chino, he hooked it up. I didn't have to pay full price for it. But anyways, let me show you really quick. So it comes with its brand new hardware too, or washers with rubber, so that you don't have to use the old ones, use the new ones. And here's the new gasket. It's nice and thick. Let me show you the old one. Check this one out. There's hardly anything in there. Look at it, it's just completely flat. Holy crap. I don't know how I didn't have any more leaks. Well, it was leaking pretty bad. Like every time I filled up, let's say I let my gas tank run down and I fill it up with a full tank, I would literally have to put a quart of oil in there just because this thing was leaking so bad. Every time I had to put gas, I had to add oil. So let's peel this one off. Look at that. We gotta put it back on the car and make sure there's no leaks. So I put it all together. Everything's back on the car. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. I made sure all the clips and bolts were nice and tight. The sensors are in. So let's turn it on really quick and hopefully I don't have a worse leak. Start it up really quick. All right. Everything checks out fine. So there it is, guys. That's how you change a valve cover gasket. Pretty easy. It took me about an hour and a half just because I was filming and I had to set up the camera in different angles, but so far doing all right, no leaks. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, give me a like on this video if you thought it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.